All right. So now we're just going to finish off our waffles. We're just having that waffle machine on. Just wait till it heats up. Make sure you give it a good amount of spray so our waffle doesn't stick. Then we're just going to take our waffle batter that's been sitting in the fridge overnight. Give it a quick stir just to make sure everything comes back together. Sometimes it separates out a little bit. Then the important part is to make sure you do not overfill your waffle iron. So take your time, or slowly. It's going to take about a half cup. The big part is do not overfill. If you notice, there's still some pieces showing through. Just close the lid, flip it over, and we will come back shortly as this cooks. Um, you can already smell the amazing herbs and everything that's in it. It is absolutely phenomenal. Uh, but it shouldn't take too long. The different waffle irons we have will tell you when it is done. Otherwise, it's going to be about 5 or to 8 minutes per waffle. And this batter will make about 3 waffles total. There's our gorgeous waffle. Again, you'll flip it back over, open it up, pull it on out to your plate. Just use a fork, gently bring it on over, and that's our gorgeous rosemary waffle. Again, just to show you how you're supposed to fill, we'll do one more just to make sure you guys can see what we're talking about on the fill amount. Again, just give it a liberal spray with cooking spray. Pour in and do not overfill. At most, it should just cover all of kind of the protrusions. Again, you can still see a couple are there. Close it, flip it over, and it'll come out just as beautiful as the last one.